Hey everybody, thank you so much for clicking on my video to watch. So for today's video, I am going to be talking all about A Cosmetics skincare. I'm doing a review on all of this skincare right here from them. There is 2 collections in this video, and I believe that is all in both of the collections. There may be more, but that's all I'm aware of. I've been using these products for a while now, so basically I'm going to go through each collection at a time and talk about how I like the products, how my skin has been doing since I've been using them. I'm also demoing these products. Before we get on into the video, please don't forget to subscribe and also like this video if you enjoy it and you like reviews. And if you'd like to know all my thoughts on these products, then please just keep watching. So I'm going to talk about their Confidence line first, and I'm going to start off with the cleanser. I've been using these products for a lot longer than I thought I've been using them for. I believe I've been using this Confidence line for about 2 months, and I've been using the other collection for about 1 month. Some of them I don't use every single day, so that's why some are more full than others. The first one I'm going to talk about is this Confidence in a Cleanser. So this says it's for all skin types, and it is a skin transforming hydrating cleansing serum. You just gently massage it onto your wet skin for 30 seconds every morning and evening, it says, but I use a cleanser probably every 3 days because I don't really like to strip my skin every single day, because cleansers obviously do just get everything out of your skin, which is a good thing, but I do have dry skin and I don't like that feeling every single day. Even though this cleanser actually doesn't dry out my skin, it's the first cleanser I have ever tried to not dry out my skin, so I actually do like this one. I usually just don't like cleansers at all. This one I haven't really been liking. I am down to about here in the bottle. I only have about a quarter left, and I like to use this in the shower. That way it's just much easier to cleanse my face. I also like to do my chest as well. It has a gel-like consistency to it, so it does feel very moisturizing when you're rubbing it into your skin, and it turns into a frothy foam the more you rub it into your skin. So this bottle holds 5 fluid ounces and it retails for $36, so I think that this product is one of their very affordable products. Usually their products aren't that expensive and they are of a really good quality. I think that this product in particular is a really good deal, and so far it's the only cleanser that I have ever liked on my skin, so that is a bonus. The next product I'm going to talk about, and that is also in the Confidence line, is their Confidence in a Cream, and this one is my all-time favorite product out of all of these. I've actually gone through almost 2 jars now. I'm completely almost out of this one, and I've gone through one other one. This says that it is a transforming moisturizing super cream, and that is very true to its name. I love this cream so much. When I break out, I usually break out around here. As you can see, I have some right now, but they're flat at the moment, which I'll talk about and touch on a little bit later. But the first time I used this cream, I used it for about maybe 3 days to a week. I can't exactly remember the specific time frame, but this started diminishing and taking away my acne a lot faster than it usually just does on its own. This cream doesn't claim to help with acne, but before I started using A Cosmetics skincare, I wasn't really using skincare beforehand. I'm wondering if my skin just reacted really good to it because it's not used to having good skincare, and once I started using it, it started helping my acne a lot. I feel like my skin might have gotten used to this because I used it non-stop and I just lathered it on, so it doesn't completely take away my acne anymore, but it definitely diffuses them all and doesn't make them bump out. All of the products in the Confidence line also say they have anti-aging armor, and for the directions on this one, it just says to apply to your clean skin in the morning and evening using upward sweeping motions. And I try to use those motions too. I'm not quite sure if they really make a difference, but I do try and do them anyways. And I use this cream actually after I hop out of the shower. I haven't been using this one on my face as much. I'm trying to use it on my chest because that's where I break out the most. Since this was helping my acne at first, I want to try and work on it on my chest. And since I'm pretty low on it, I don't want to use it all up my face, so I've been using the other moisturizer on my face recently. This cream is also pretty thick. It also does say that this one is for all skin types. Since I can only really speak on mine, it's wonderful for my dry skin because it is so thick, but it still sinks into your skin very nicely and doesn't just sit on top of it. And sometimes when you get a heavier cream, it will just sit on top of your skin and won't want to sink in because there's just too much substance to it, but this one sinks into your skin very nicely. The only thing I don't really like about this is the smell. In my last A Cosmetics video, I reviewed their CC cream and someone told me that they thought it smelled like lemon. And I can definitely see that, but it just reminds me so much of a Lysol wipe, this cream in particular. But when someone told me it smelled like lemon meringue pie, that's what I think about when I smell it, and I can definitely smell that now. The cleanser definitely does smell like lemon though, and I think that must have been the scent that they were trying to go for. So this cream holds 2 fluid ounces and it retails for $48. I'm also on acosmetics.ca, so this is all in Canadian pricing, just in case you're wondering. I also do think that's a very affordable price, especially for this specific cream. It's a really, really good cream. I don't hear anybody talk about it, but I do think it's one of the best that I've ever tried. So I do think that is an affordable price for a cream like this, especially when a lot of them are retailing for $60 and up. Since I've talked about the cream so much, I'll move on now, and I'm going to move on to the Confidence in an Eye Cream. This eye cream says it brightens, repairs, and transforms, and this is also for all skin types. This eye cream isn't one of my favorites out of all of them, but I still do like it a lot, just because I feel like it doesn't really transform my under eyes in any way, but it does help keep them moisturized. This cream is a little bit on the thicker side as well. It peaks up when you put your finger in there, but I think it is nice to have a little bit of a heavier eye cream at nighttime because it gives it more time to sink into your skin since you're just sleeping. And then I like a lighter eye cream in the daytime. So this is the one I use at night, and I use a very, very small amount of it. It does keep my under eyes very moisturized, and I don't wake up with them feeling dry at all. I also like to put it on my eyelids at night. Sometimes not only including my eyes, but my whole face and skin will get very dehydrated over the night, and this eye cream does help maintain the moisture in my skin. I still haven't found an eye cream that completely transforms my under eyes because I do have a lot of discoloration under them and they're pretty indented right here. Okay, I was looking at the pricing wrong. That cream actually does retail for $62, which I thought was a normal price for a moisturizer. So for the cream, I don't think it's exactly affordable now looking at the actual price of it, but I do think it is a normal price, and I don't think it's overpriced for the moisturizer that it is. And the eye cream is $48. So I do think that this one is a tiny bit pricey, but that's just how it works with my skin. Maybe on someone else's skin it would work wonders, and considering that, I think it would be suitable to the price tag. But for me, I definitely wouldn't spend the $48 on this little guy. And this one just holds 0.5 fluid ounces. I'm gonna move on to the next line now, and the first product I'm gonna talk about is the Miracle Water. So this line has my favorite packaging. It is a really pretty holographic packaging, and it's so, so pretty. It has this light lavender color for the base, and then the rest of it is just all holographic. It's the most beautiful packaging. So this one I haven't actually gotten through too much of it. I'm just down to here, but I use a very, very little amount of it when I do use it. And I try to use it every single day, but mostly I'll probably use it every 3 days, just like how I use the cleanser. But I've been trying to use both products. I go back and forth between the cleanser and this Miracle Water. That's why I haven't gone through too much of it, because like I said, I only like to use it every 3 days. When I'm rotating the two, it can take a while till I come back to the product. So this says that it is a 3-in-1 glow tonic. It is a skin brightening radiance booster. It has anti-aging treatment essence and skin softening micellar cleanser. I believe this is supposed to be used in the spot of a cleanser, but this is much easier to use than a cleanser, and it really does brighten your skin. It makes my skin feel a little bit tight afterwards, but not in a dry sense. It just gives my skin more of a firming feeling, and I actually really, really like this product. I can't give it a very thorough review because I haven't gone through too much of it, but the way it makes my skin look after, it just makes it look so bright and radiant. So if I'm not wearing makeup for the day, I like to put this on as well, just to give my skin a little bit of a glow and some life to it. So this says you can use it morning and evening after cleansing or in place of your cleanser. Okay, so you can definitely use a cleanser and then use this afterwards. I've been just rotating them because I guess I read that wrong the first time. And it says it purifies, hydrates, treats, and transforms your skin. To apply it, you just saturate a cotton pad and gently sweep it across your face to cleanse and remove makeup and impurities for a younger, healthier looking result. And you're not supposed to rinse this product off, you just let it sink into your skin. This is also a great product to use before you're doing your makeup because it does give the base of your skin just that life and glow to make it look really healthy. So this guy is 8.5 fluid ounces and it retails for $48. I think this one is very affordable as well. You get so much product, you only need to use a little bit of it to cover your face, and it makes your skin look beautiful after using it. I'm really excited to use it more. I wish I'd use it more so I can be a little bit more in depth about it, but I'm really excited for this product. This is one of the ones I was probably most excited to see in the package. The last product I'm going to talk about is another moisturizer, and it's called their Secret Sauce. It's also in really pretty holographic packaging, and it is a white cream. It's a little bit on the thicker side, but it is a lot more lightweight than their Confidence in a Cream. So if you're wanting to try one that's a little bit more lightweight, then I would definitely suggest this one. It takes a little bit longer to rub it into your skin, but it sinks into your skin a lot faster, if that makes any sense. Just because this moisturizer is white, it leaves just a little bit of a white cast. So you just have to rub it in a little bit more than you would the other one. Confidence in a Cream is obviously my favorite over this one, but I still like this one a lot. It gives your skin a really pretty sheen, and it also gives you that little bit of a glow, which does make sense because this one and the Miracle Water are in the same collection. This is Clinically Advanced Miraculous Anti-Aging Moisturizer. All of their products say that they're anti-aging, which I really like how they say that, because obviously I want to keep my skin looking young even though I am young. So obviously I can't talk about too much how they're anti-aging just because my skin is obviously still young skin, even though I wish I could. So it's nice to know that it's anti-aging, and then hopefully it's just maintaining my youthful skin. I do feel that this moisturizer and then the Miracle Water give your skin that life and that glow, and then the Confidence line really keeps your skin hydrated and moisturized. So I also do use this moisturizer when I hop out of the shower. I'm using this one on my face right now, and like I said, the other one on my chest. I've been really liking the combination of that, and this just leaves my skin looking super refreshed, and it doesn't make it look dull. Alright, so this product is the most priciest out of all of them, and it is $88, and you get 2 fluid ounces in here. So out of the 2 moisturizers, the other one is almost $30 less expensive, and I like it a lot better. Maybe it's just because I've been using it longer. Maybe the more I try this out, the more I'll love it. But I would say that this one definitely is on the pricey side. So this moisturizer and the eye cream are probably the 2 products that I wouldn't go out and purchase again, just because I feel like they're not transforming my skin and they are more on the pricey side. Not that the products aren't good at all. If you have that budget and you liked what you heard about these products, then definitely go for it. But just for my personal experience right now, I wouldn't go ahead and buy them. But my mind might still change on this one. I haven't exactly used a lot of it, and I mean, the packaging is really pretty. I might just keep the jar and put different moisturizers in it just so I can look at this beautiful packaging. But the glow factor that that moisturizer gives is really, really pretty. It just lifts your face up. It makes it look like you maybe have a little bit of a liquid highlighter on. So all in all, if I had to pick a favorite, I would definitely pick the Confidence in a Cream. It's done the most for my skin, and maybe that's because I've used it for the longest time. Right when I used it to this day, I still love it the most. It is so, so good, and I would highly recommend that product. My least favorite product, and not that it's not a good product, is the eye cream, just because it doesn't really do much. The fact that it changes my under eyes, and it doesn't really help any of the discoloration under my eyes. Not that it claims to do that, it's just that that's what I would be looking for in an eye cream. But the fact that it keeps my under eyes and eyelids moisturized throughout the night, I do like that aspect of it. All in all, I really do like the It Cosmetics skincare lines. I have some that are not my favorites, but they are still good products. If I was to repurchase anything again, it would definitely be that Confidence in a Cream, as I've already said, and then I would probably purchase the Miracle Water as well. If I really felt like my skin needed a cleanser, then I would purchase the cleanser again, just because it's the only cleanser that I've ever liked. None of these products claim to help with acne, redness, or anything like that, so I can't really speak on that, because obviously I do have some breakouts on my skin, but these products have been helping just to flatten them and keep them from spreading. But it does sound like what they were going for with these products is really the anti-aging armor, and I wish I could speak more on that, but obviously I can't. But I absolutely love It Cosmetics. I have really liked all of their products I've tried. I actually don't think I've ever disliked a product from them. I've loved them all. I think for the most part they're extremely affordable, and the quality is just great, and it's there. If you are interested in purchasing any of these products, I do have a discount code with them. It is Skrinnikoff. I will leave it somewhere up here on the screen, and it's always linked in my description box below. But yeah, I really do love this brand, so I love to talk about and review and try out their products just because I trust the brand. I just really trust putting my time into using their products and really testing them out, and I have a lot of fun doing it, especially when it's skincare, because you can just use it every single day and your skin feels great afterwards. Not to mention my skin feels extremely smooth. So I really hope that was informative enough for you guys. I don't do reviews that often, so I'm still kind of learning the ropes. If you have any suggestions on my next reviews, on what subjects you want me to touch on, leave them down below. And if you've tried any of these products, then also let me know what you think of them in the comments. And if I missed anything that you guys are wondering my thoughts on, then definitely ask me and I'll be sure to answer your questions. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave and like this video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.